Hello guys, so welcome to the next class of our AI engineering course. In the last class we discussed about prompt engineering and how it is used, what are the different type of prompts. Also I showed you a website from which you can explore prompts. I even give you a research paper link from where you can explore prompts, and similarly today I'll be walking you through a dummy project. So essentially what this project idea is that let's say you are a restaurant owner. Okay, now if you are a restaurant owner, you would need to drive some marketing campaigns. So in order to drive marketing campaigns, what are you essentially doing is you will take help of an AI bot. So this is the marketing campaign and AI bot would be driving this marketing campaign. Okay, now essentially usually what happens is that we have a marketing campaign which is mostly on the trending things, or even some companies have on things which have been trending in the past. But mostly whatever happened in the past is fine, but we'll be focusing on the current context. Hey, what are the news is today, and how can this news be used to sort of create a marketing campaign for my restaurant. So this is a very interesting project. So let's just try to start it. So in the first line, we are installing the libraries. We are installing LangChain based libraries. We are using Beautiful Soup. So Beautiful Soup is essentially an element that helps you, and package that helps you parse websites. So essentially it is being used for web scraping. Then we have HTML to text. This is an important library that will help us convert HTML format things to textual format, and then we'll be using Gemini as our LLM. So see, it's simple. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to set up a URL. Then you need to load the HTML content. Then you need to convert it into text. Okay, then you just need to transform this. So this is the code for it. It is very simple, right? Just use the given library. So this is the advantage of using LangChain. Okay, it has a lot of wrappers on top of it. Otherwise, in order to do web scraping, I would have to write a lot of code. But see, I just need to convert it into HTML, and then from HTML I needed to convert to text. The next thing is I'm using Google Generative AI library. Also then I'm just writing my model name, that is Gemini 1.5 Flash, and then this is the prompt. So see guys, this is how you need to write the prompt. Analyze the following text extracted from multiple news sources. So here essentially we've used the f string over here. So in this docs transformed variable, you will find a lot of things would have gotten extracted. Okay, a lot of unnecessary text, a lot of important text, everything must have got extracted. You see this is so much because we are scraping this page. Okay, so everything whatever in this page would have got scrapped. Okay, now that is done. Now what is the next thing is we are asking it to, hey, analyze multiple news sources. Then you need to identify relevant news. Okay, present each news with a clear bullet point, identify a diverse range of topics, do not omit. And then this is the restaurant chain ideas that come up with ideas on what's happening, how we as a restaurant can incorporate it, and I've written detailed prompts. So see guys, you just have to read this sort of prompts and try to create prompts. Okay, you can even ask an LLM to create a prompt, that is also okay, but just know that a well detailed prompt like I have written over here will yield always better results. All you need to do is then pass the prompt to the model, and then your response would get generated. So see, let's just try to see that what's happening. So first of all, it says rocket attacks and international tensions. So based on that, it has given me a campaign idea, bringing people together over delicious food. India's slow economic growth was the article. Then it has given me celebrate little victories, Olympic medal hopes and athletes stories, fueling champions, debate free dining, supporting our community. So you're able to see, right? Let's say there are floods in Wayanad. So it was able to fetch that news. There are floods in Wayanad. Based on that, it say that maybe a restaurant can have a campaign where they are like that, hey, come to our restaurant, 5%, 3% of the total thing that we are going to earn in a day, we are going to give it to the people who have been affected by Vayanad floods. So see guys, this type of system you have to design. So see, all it is very little line of codes, and the number of lines of codes have been reduced due to LangChain, okay, because we are essentially using a framework and it is helping us do everything. The only task, as some people claimed that prompt engineering would be a big thing, this is where from they were coming, is that hey, there will be a lot of people, there will be couple of frameworks which will have a lot of features, lot of dependencies. How will people use it, right? You just need to think that how can I shape up the prompt, okay? And also here you saw that how you can get text from a website and then convert it into text using simple HTML to text transformer. So guys, see, all these things are simple, but you need to have an idea of how to sync this up. See, I was able to sync this up, I was able to create a new situation, a new business use case, and I think this is pretty useful, right? On a daily basis you can schedule this notebook to run, and your restaurant chain would have a lot of, it would help you brainstorm better, right? That's the power of AI, especially generative AI. It's able to generate stuff, right? So based on that, if it is able to generate new stuff, it can be a good brainstorming partner, right? So all these things are essentially very important for any sort of marketing campaign. So this project can be even done at a big scale, to have marketing campaigns based on what's actually currently happening. So even if you, let's say, people can make it on Twitter as well. So Twitter also has this API. If you will type Twitter API, okay, I think Twitter API is not free, but yeah, that's the case. Okay, so you can, even companies can, what companies can do is that they can have pull in tweets right from the API, do a live sentiment classification on a daily basis, analyze a lot of sentiments and say that hey, this is the thing that's affecting us more. A lot of people are complaining about this. How we can systematically improve it. So guys, this is the power of generative AI. In this video, you were able to see that how with very minimal coding, we are able to design a marketing friend. Some people will also call it an agent, right? Because now essentially this is an agent, and this agent is able to help me in designing my marketing campaign for restaurant based on whatever is happening in the news. So thank you guys, this was a short video, but I guess this is a very one of the most effective videos of this course. Thank you friends, bye.